Pharmacist Chinwe and her friends are still on course, and we are very grateful. A wonderful pharmacist Chinwe that we are created by Almighty Nature, awesomely created. Today is ours. Where's some bringing that to the other? Amanda, Yamaha. And the name pharmacist currently working with the United Kingdom Pfizer. Pharmacist Chinwe, accompanied by her wonderful friends. Very close to her decision brother. Pharmacist Chinwe is still greeting a non-pharmacist currently working with Pfizer United Kingdom. Congratulations. Today is yours. In less than 9 months, I shall receive a phone call that you are put to bed 3 months baby boys. Say amen. Today is us. Uncle Mel, watching the Mel is still in charge out there. Omeka near arrived with his powerful entourage. You can see Pharmacist Elias Okoye, PhD. You can see Chief Doctor Sir Amachukwu Ezike Ogumba Nankilesu. Congrats.